Okay, so this is the second school in Italy that you can use to go to Italy as I'm talking right now. Say me kasa ya, this is the second school I person won't call Italy right now. Usikesha. I person won't call Italy. This is the course I'll wait me here. Mr. Uncle for any degree course. Now unti minchia. All the schools will be Italy are affordable, but I think say this is relatively affordable. So search for University of the Perugia. Say unyano director testing and I'm who a comment section I say send the link and I'm now they are registered now Universitat per Santaneri di Perugia. Okay, so you see Italian language course and culture. All right, so this is it. Okay, so that is it. All right, so I think the registration is not here. Okay, so okay, let's pick from here. Italian language, that is the course that we offer. I've picked it. Okay, so I mean this is it. Okay, the lesson lasting 50 minutes take place every day from Monday to Friday, 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours per day. Okay, so the course fee, let's see the course fee. All right, so fees refer to 4 weeks course. All right, so A1, A1, A2, B1, B2, so 18 hours per week into 4 weeks ni nyinaa 540. So 1 month 540. What I say, 1 month 540. What I say, yes. So no, I think say you can read through. There are more things over here, discounts and late registration and everything. So just read through. Okay, all right, so let's see accommodation information. Okay, so I said the student enrolled in Italian language and culture course can access limited number of beds offered by the university in collaboration with the ADISU agent. Where okay, I don't think this should be something because you will have to, you know, book your accommodation somewhere else. The cost per bed is 220 per month, so a month 220 euros. So read through over here too and understand better. Okay, all right, let's go back a little. So course structure or academic. So let's see the academic. So the first day of the course include a placement test, oral of those who have taken the course test online, both written and oral for those who have not taken them. Okay, so A1.1 level course for absolute beginners are offered only in February, May, and August. So you can see the time. So you can just schedule the time to your preference and then you enroll. All right. So I think let's go ahead and now certificates are issued. Okay, you can go through this what you are going to get after the course. Okay, you can WhatsApp them. All right, go down here. You can WhatsApp them directly and then get signed up, or you can come here to sign up. Okay, so method of enrollment. All right, so you need your passport, you need a passport photo and a proof of payment. All right, so this is the registration form. Just click here. Okay, so when you click here, okay, so you click here. Wait. Attention, please enter your details exactly as appear on your identity. Any duplicate registration will be cancelled. Fill the forms with your personal details and blah 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 blah. All right, so here's the forms. All right, okay, let's see what I can convert here to English to see. All right, so here is it. So do you need a visa? Do you need a visa? Just select yes here. All right, yes, and click next. All right, so let's see if my details will be put in here. All right, so that's my surname. Gender, male, date of birth. You can put any date there. Is it 90 or 90? Okay, place of birth. Let's say Ghana. Let's say Ghana. Let's say Accra. Country of birth. Let's say Ghana. Nationality. Ghanaian. Where are you residing? Residence. So put your address there. That is, I'm putting this one here. Status. Let's say Ghana. Okay, just take Ghana. Okay. So where is your address in Italy? Do you have? We don't have. So why are you putting? So I don't have. Do that. Okay. So your email. Put your email there. Okay, so the address in Italy, just no state, no value. Don't put it there. Don't even open it. Leave it like that. Okay, and put your number there. And qualification, educational qualification, high school, more, university diploma. Okay, let's pick university diploma, and then go to next. All right. So I intend to attend Italian course that begins. Select your date. Maybe January. Okay. I would like to attend the course for, let's say, 5 months. Select any amount, a number of days that you like. I've already studied Italian. No, in fact, I don't speak Italian and I don't understand. All right. Yes, I believe that my current level knowledge of Italian language is, I have no knowledge. Elementary. Let's speak elementary. I became aware of this university, let's say online search. I want to study Italian for study. My cultural, select any cultural dialect, art, history, and then go to next. So here you upload your documents. Okay, let's upload your documents. So upload your document. Let's say passport. Let's say passport again. And here you are going to pay the money. All right. So how to pay? By payment portal. So you click on the payment portal and you put your information there. When you put your information there, you pay. You pay. There will be a receipt. Make a print a receipt. There was a section you can print it a PDF. Then after, you upload the receipt. Okay. So that is it. So when you upload the receipt, you just agree to all the terms and you send. So it will just take you to the last completion for you to sign one or two stuffs and you are good to go. So that is it.